Most of it. Okay. That's withdrawing liquidity for this little long right down here for the little model I'm trading. This one. Look at that. Which one? Oh, this is 3 drives.
Yo.
What's up, Baltic? I think we're gonna have some moves. If anything, I'm only gonna be looking for longs to rebalance the range. So, this is my bias. That curve is literally my bias on the day.
Oh, большой дам.
Да. See this? I could have targeted all the way down here.
That's crazy.
It is very crazy. Oh, the news that made us drop, it was the Apple CEO.
Apple.
He
Oh,
passed
Apple
away.
down 4%. Soon buy. Maybe.
Oh, really? This is
Yes.
opportunity. Maybe it's giving us a second re-entry for the time we missed. How close are we to all that? Okay, we're
Very close.
a little bit far.
No, we'll go on Apple. Very, very close.
Mm.
Oh, relatively close. This trend line, no, the trend line is not holding with open. We need to see.
We had another run through this low. This macro's kind of weird. Today's going to be a very interesting day. I'm glad I'm done for the day. 50% tariffs on EU, really? Yeah, I'm already max up.
Ah.
So I literally, if I was trading funded, I'd be done.
Great.
I'd literally be done for the day right now. I wouldn't
That's
even.
very, very good.
Yeah, but I'm only live streaming because I'm actually going to be looking back at this recording. I'm going to be putting as much effort as I can into just the tape reading aspect and my observations of price action, the opening range, trying to trade out of the opening range, and I'm going to leave at around 10. 9. Oh. I don't know if I might be, I don't know if, I'll try to trade like the 1050 macro as well, so we'll see. But yeah, that's the extent. I'm not going to be on for long. I'm already up, so I'm not going to force trades. My main goal here is to, I'm just going to write this down.
Ooh. 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 I see something.
Oh, really? Uh-oh.
TGIF.
That is proper. Yes. We also manipulated into a daily busy. A little small run into one. I think we also ran into premium. We rebalanced our like overall range.
I will keep it marked.
No, we haven't. We still have a little bit lower to go. So, I mean, we have literally 1 minute 3 drives. I'm not expecting that to hold, if I'm being honest. So, we're just gonna wait. I took shorts up here. I got stopped out initially and I got re-entry. Look, you can see it. I know you can see it as a fact.
Oh, yes, of course.
Yes, of course.
Very simple.
Very simple. Also, 9/31% to get projecting. Overall range, high, low, rebalance into premium. Look at this on the 15-minute.
Oh, it's very
Do
good.
you see this on the 15-minute? Premium
Yeah,
HP.
yeah.
Macro, we open, market structure shift, retrace into stop loss at SMT high. Target
Very
engineered
good.
sell side liquidity.
Ooh. Ooh. YM. YM 1 hour.
I see. That is gonna be SMT.
Not yet, but it will be.
PSP. I think that's a PS. Like precision swing points, like one of the day stuff that one up close on YM and down closes on other candles. That means we can. I'll show you reverse.
I have no clue how that works.
Me neither. I just saw it.
I never learned it.
I just saw it, so I assume it works. Some people use it. Is ICT?
He posts on Twitter now.
Oh yeah, he does. I forgot. Explain the dump in ICT terms when it was a single. Oh yeah, it's the algorithm actually. The algorithm dumped us. Let's see if this H3 IFG holds to actually run out of draw on liquidity. Brother, I don't even know how to add you. I don't know where to add you on. I can't add you as a friend on YouTube. Oh yeah, for the first entry I entered 10 contracts, my re-entry was 30, because I had a 2-point stop loss. I actually balled out on this one. Literally, this was my actual short that I made the 1.5k on. The initial idea was correct, it's just using a different concept that ICT showed in the 2025 mentorship. The second we closed on this candle, this was my entry, this was my stop loss. And my risk reward was nuts. But the original idea was actually the one thing that supported it because we ran into the rejection block. Top ticked the rejection block with SMT and rebalanced this entire BISI. My stop should have been here either way, so the trade idea was still valid, so I used one of the other entry techniques. So, banged it lower because I had such a tiny stop. Oh shoot, all my games are actually gone, I forgot.
Why?
I deleted.
Lock in?
Yeah, lock in. Actual lock in.
Very good.
The most value you guys can get is through really showing up every single day, applying. Oh, draw liquidity has been hit. Every single day, applying yourself through system and just building the skill set. You want to make a career out of this, bro. This guy's actually bugging out. He's tweaking out of my chat. I don't know what to do for you. How can you add someone as a friend?
Oh.
How do I add this guy?
Just tell him you added them.
I added you, bro. Dang. I hoped. Oh. Hopefully, Trump can stir up everyone, get everyone all riled up, get us back down to buying price, because that Bitcoin all-time high has been problematic.
Did you see UFC? Carlos Oliveira versus Ilya Topuria.
Yeah, I did. Oh yeah, I did. Who do you think's gonna win?
Ilya?
Charles,
I
100%.
don't think there's even a chance.
Do you see the stuff he's saying? You're saying about it, the fight?
Like, yeah, he's sorry that he has to fight him.
Yeah, he's sorry. He'll do whatever will hurt less, the least.
Probably submission. I mean, okay, no. Charles has been hit too many times in the head.
Mm-hmm.
So, he's cooked,
Yeah,
sadly, out of his prime.
he is. What?
UFC Shanghai.
Wait, hold on. Did I see? Okay, can you see ICT's Twitter?
Let me see.
Oh, never mind. It's good. It's good. Okay, we got it. I'll tell you how it works. God, this guy's actually losing his mind. Okay, Obsidian versus Notion. I actually have both. I prefer Notion. I had a Obsidian. Okay, what I have currently, I'll show you my Obsidian. This was something I imported a year ago. I have double the amount of what I have
Remember.
right now. Hold up, how do I actually like view it? Here it is. This is my Notion of all my trading content. Old journal, old trades. What I have here, I have 2 times more. There we go, Mantas' notes. Then we have all my trading session. Where's my, oh yeah, it doesn't update live. But this is, what I have currently is double of this. So much more. Because I have more data collection than I do here. All my mentorships. The recaps.
Oh shit.
Notion's better, honestly. Weekly SMT for YM. Yeah, that's all good. Oh yeah, I added you. Thank you, of course. And make a folder for all your PNGs and default images. Okay, that way. Oh.
As moderator.
Who is mod?
Give the dude moderator.
I will. Is he here?
Probably.
Here you go. This is just some outlier stuff. Bias. We're heavily we're heavily bullish today. Oh, we ran a full draw on liquidity. Perfect. Please panic sell.
Man, let's put on some music.
You're right. What music should we put on?
Wait, let me send you a playlist.
Yes.
I think you will like. Let me find it.
Teaching specific precision concepts, calling them out for months flawlessly, no gross error proof execution. It's pretty good. Was this a short? Oh wait, this might have been my short. After sweeper first presented gaps high, stop was above entry candle high. That's cool. ICT got even better entry than us. What time does market open? Market opens at 4:51.
No. Market is open.
Market's open. Let's get our first presented gap. What's up, John? Oh,
Nothing.
John is back. John has been in my live stream for the past since my debut.
Debut.
Oh, Simpa. Wait, Simpa, did you pass your funded?
Apple's already pumping. Slowly.
Слово пацана. Кров на асфальті. Кров на асфальті.
One of these should be your walkout song on
Yeah.
your UFC debut.
Седая ночь.
The day of Notion.
My walkout song was chosen. Hold up. I should
On
do
your
like
walkout song.
Geopolitical or something.
Oh, that's also good.
Here, my coach chose my walkout song. I didn't have a say in it. He chose Shook Ones, Mob Deep.
I'm not familiar.
This one.
Ah, yes, yeah. Oh, no, this is bad.
Not
This is
good.
NPC.
Yeah, exactly. He put me on this like, Mantas, you're gonna be the coldest man to walk into the arena. You're gonna be fine. So you.
Oh, this is NPC.
NPC. I need this one. I better be able to decide to choose one.
Should I go to a Geopolitical concert tomorrow?
Yes, you should.
Huge concert.
Is it in Latvia?
Yeah, my friend offered me.
Dang. Once in a
No, but
lifetime opportunity.
Too many Russians there.
Is there beef?
Yes.
Oof.
We're going to Morgan. Do you know Morgenstern?
Maybe? It sounds familiar.
Andrew used to listen to him a lot.
Oof. Is he
We
Mexican?
do not talk. No, he's Russian.
Yeah. I took on the eval, the top step eval. That's the type of trade, well, not that one exactly, but if I see a trade of that caliber where I can actually confidently expect the daily range to expand in my favor, that's the type of trade I'm going to max size on with the 25k funded. I'm still prepping for that. The day I full port that is the day I confidently catch pre-market bangers and hold for the whole expansion of the daily range. That's what I'm aiming for.
Do you not get lucky with news?
Huh? I don't really think
not
so.
get-
I was really confident in the delivery either way. Like, delivery down to here, I thought it was just the... I really didn't think it was news or anything. I was like, shoot, it's delivering really well.
A little too well.
Yeah, I've seen it happen before, though, so I wasn't really too surprised.
Ah. Oh, 0.8 of the weekly range hit GIF target 1.
No big deal. New TGI. A second. И снова седая ночь. What was it? Oh yeah, the account I took it on was this one. This was the one. This is the one that was down 400 on yesterday. I had to run it back. What was it called? I was down 400, and then I ran it up. I've been making YouTube videos, bro. Off of my streams, it's just been YouTube, studying. You'll see, I've been vlogging for the past week since Tuesday, and it's been rough. So I don't know if I'm gonna vlog today, but I will try. I have my brother's bodybuilding show, tomorrow too. We'll see though. But yeah, this is the account I ran it up on. So $400 away from passing. I'm gonna try passing it Monday. And this is probably gonna be the account I take a payout on. I'm really trying to preserve the 25k for whenever I'm confident. And I'm gonna reserve whatever the max the drawdown is 1.5k. So I'm gonna be risking $300 for every trade and have a minimum of 10 risk to reward. $3,000 TP, and we're gonna do that until I hit 10k. And if I hit 10k, we buy a motorcycle. Thank you, man. But yeah, I'm literally just gonna use this account to get a payout, show that I'm not washed, like the most minimum payout, like a $500 or $1,000 payout, and then just go from there. Anyways, are we losing boost again? clean, we're gonna rebalance the range. After we rebalance the range, I can probably confidently see if we're gonna run lower or higher. I'm assuming that we're actually gonna run lower. Like this is whole sell model or something for us to get our distribution lower. Smart money reverser, failure, swing here, lower. Bang, second stage redistribution, monthly. Because didn't we? Okay, hold on. I'll go to a clearing chart because this is my 1 minute chart. Okay, but looking in terms of like the monthly, look at this. We completely rebalanced and ran above this monthly civvy. What if within the 7 days we come down and we end up closing, body respecting the monthly civvy, another open right here, the next month we just dump. NASDAQ crashes. The US stock market gets defeated. The Germans step in. Something crazy like that happens. Also, is anyone into motorcycles? There's something special happening. At 12 p.m. today, there's a new motorcycle coming out for BMW.
Ooh.
Look at this thing. This thing's aura farming in the shadows.
Are you gonna get it?
Probably. This might be it. In 3 hours, we will see. If it's a 600, I'm going for it. I'm balling out on this. Because they haven't made a 600. So if they do, I really think this will dominate the industry. And I'll be like the first one to have it. I'll literally just vlog with it. So I'm thinking
600 would be crazy.
Yeah, exactly. I need aftermarket exhaust, everything. S600RR, most beautiful thing they can do. So in 3 hours we will see. If it's around 12, 13, 14K, I'll buy it. Straight up. If it's available quickly. CJ, bro. That's nuts. Do you remember CJ? Baltic.
Me? No, not really.
Bro, he's OG.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
I can't remember.
Evergreen.
Evergreen. Oh, Evergreen,
Yeah,
I remember.
Evergreen, yes.
How is he doing?
He's here. In the chat. I want to know how he's doing. He had insane drive. I remember he had insane work ethic.
Hmm.
I hear the Rust theme in the background. Okay. Would you ever join the military for your country, Baltic?
I will have to.
Really?
Well, military training for 1 year, mandatory.
Mandatory? What if you go to like university? Do you have to?
You get. Well, the thing is. Yes, you do, but they say you get a guaranteed spot at like any of those like universities and stuff, but you really don't.
Nah. They
But
lie.
I think with my tech knowledge, I could probably get like an easy job like FPV pilot or something.
PV pilot.
Seriously.
Dang.
It's
Got
like
8 accounts.
it's paid. If you sign up yourself, it's like 2 times the like
Mm-hmm.
you get the salary. But if you get drafted, it's half the salary.
Dang. Okay.
But
You get drafted.
I might just need to go myself and like get actually like because if you're drafted, you get like a shit job.
Mm-hmm.
But if you go yourself, then you can probably get some good jobs.
Yeah.
I want to do something with tech. That'll be fun.
That would be a good experience. You might be able to get a skill that you can use outside. I wanted to join the military badly when the U.S. was in Afghanistan. I wanted to be like Special Forces Army Ranger because that's what a lot. I wanted to do that so badly.
That's crazy.
Like getting your weight up and everything. Nice. I remember the health scare. $9.31 any gap we're rejecting off of it. Oh, we got a market yesterday's 130. You know there's two first presented gaps in
Oh,
one session? Yeah, the 130 first presented gap
1:30 a.m.
at 1:30 p.m.
Where did you learn this?
ICT, he's been going. He used it in his trade yesterday.
Really?
Yeah, he explained it. The opening range has a presented gap as well, and it holds
I'm
up
not drawing that
perfect.
out. I don't care.
I'll have it. Don't worry.
Okay.
Look at this. Boom. Close below. Retrace into the was it PM session first presented gap, and the rest of it we never retraced into it.
Very interesting.
Very. I don't want to see us rebalance the range. I want to see us actually rebalance it during the macro. So we're gonna want to see this get preserved, accumulate here until 950 opens. I want an up close candle down into potentially run up these lows, continue up to second standard deviation of the range, and actually running out. We still have a draw on liquidity intact, so this might be the best trade of the session. Because past this, if our draw on liquidity is ran, we kind of get messed up because we're kind of shooting into the dark without a clear target. I'm gonna check out Powell's Discord, see if he has any levels going on right now. Anything crazy they're looking at.
Instead of stuff from the market makers.
Mm-hmm. Kind of did it a little bit too. We might blast off in this macro. If we open, it might just shoot us higher. That's the problem, because this is the manipulation that I would have wanted inside the macro. Now that the macro is going to come in, spice things up, it might just blow up. Run into a different realm. So, nice, that's good. Get yourself paid out. I've been dry on payouts. The last payout I took was in February.
Ooh, Mantas. Look at standard deviation.
Which one? Are you talking about this one?
No. Up.
This?
Yes, there.
Okay.
Oh, left.
Huh?
Left. Standard deviation.
Yeah. What do you mean standard deviation? Like this?
Oh, you haven't. Oh, I didn't. Okay, I didn't see you.
Yeah.
Never mind.
Okay.
Ignore it. I'm going crazy.
It's okay. I know forced standard deviation is really close proximity to the midnight open. So that would be a really good draw on liquidity. If today's like that one day where we had to swing and midnight open was just a full draw. That complete sell-off, the midnight open was recaptured. I gotta find it. Dang, what was I? Oh! Okay, I forgot about that. I remember a new concept.
Ooh.
Movie.
Wait, or page gap. do we have? Oh, Bolshoi. Oh, too big. We can continue lower. Too big. Actually, let me draw that out.
Mm-hmm. 1 minute until macro open. とこは止まった。Oh wait, I'm complaining with top step support again. You looked at my profile.
Oh no. What did you do again?
Let's see.
What happened?
At this time in the market, your trading was experiencing volatility. You were trading 10 contracts, which is a high position size to be carrying during the moments of volatility. Due to the instability of prices, you were filled unfavorably, i.e. slippage.
Did you make a request or what?
I just open up Windy. If I have like any problems with my account, any small issue, at this time, Top Steps X has been bugging out for me. Why? And if there's any small issue on their hand, they give me a free refund and they refund me for the eval. So the eval becomes free and I get an extra chance at it. I've been trading for like 3 years now. It's gonna stay 3 until next April, then I'll say 4. I don't really go in depth because I know I started trading April of when I was 15. So I just go based off my age. Mm-hmm. 3 months.
Oh.
There we go. This macro, as I said, this macro is probably just going to distribute higher because we already got a manipulation. The only thing we can really do is just entering back off close above maybe just like IOFED entry or something, because I'm expecting more heavy-handed distribution because we already got a manipulation. So, ooh, you notice where that there was, what? Yeah. No IOFED. I don't know what to do here. The only thing I can really say is just be patient, wait for something. Because I don't really like trading whenever this happens. Not really the clean type of setup we'd have for model I trade. It's heavily dependent on macros. But we will see, because we have a draw higher. I only want to be trading in direction of the draw. So, we have good SMT at the low actually. Very good SMT actually. Especially with ES. It's secret SMT. So,
Ooh.
run out one more time.
I think I know what you're talking about.
Exactly, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Alright. I don't really like to see how we're respecting the 931st presented though. So. Manty? Dang. Have a good one, CJ. I'll see you later. I need ICT to join my stream. When he joins, I'm gonna ask him to help me break down my model, see if it's valid. Because he said there's hundreds of different type of entry models you can have off of just macros alone. So I want to make sure I have at least one. Milosh. We both like, how do you say this name?
Milosh.
Milosh. Mm.
Mm-hmm. I think so. Trump posted something. Banger news.
What are you talking about?
Telegram. European Union, which was formed for trade, taking advantage of the United States on trade that's been
Ooh,
very difficult to deal with,
50%
have
tariffs.
led to trade deficit with more than
Dang!
more,
Dang.
250 million a year, a number which is totally unacceptable. Our discussions with them are going nowhere. Therefore, I recommend a straight 50% tariff on the European Union starting June 1,
It's gonna
June
happen.
1st. There's no tariff if the product is built or manufactured in the US. Thank you for your attention to this matter. Boom.
Jeez. Boom. Markets are gonna sell off. Also,
Everybody.
the account. Hold up. What was it? Here we go. The account that we were on yesterday, it's $400 away from passing.
Ooh.
So we're gonna pass it. Probably Tuesday because it's Memorial Day.
Bro, if they make the iPhone more expensive, I'm gonna so mad. I want to get the new one when it comes out.
Shouldn't be, right? Yeah, Trump. Oh
It
wait, no,
should
no, no.
be.
Yeah, it should be the tariff. I forgot.
It's not.
If we can form a discount PD array, that is perfect. But us respecting our 30 gap is kind of telling me otherwise. But we still have no manipulation above the MO, so we're fine. I have the wrong open worked out. Hey, thank you, John. Take it easy. Do you have any questions in Discord? No, I do not. Other than Finn. Okay, that's good. 5-minute Visi. Let's see. Wow.
Wow. Офигеть.
Really retracing the discount or respecting the 5-minute Visi we're currently inside of. Closure above the 930% gap is gonna make me think we're gonna run higher. It's gonna give me the thing. It's gonna make me think we're gonna end up running higher. So.
Crazy macro.
Very crazy macro. This is all coded. The macro knows exactly what it's doing. I was watching ICT Charter last night. Every single thing of macro I learned. So, this macro, it's time distortion. It's accumulating. It knows exactly what it's doing. We're accumulating inside of the 931st presented. No body closures above. The bodies tell the story. I'm so long, guys, though. I don't care about that. I want to see us close above and just pump straight through. Get us into premium with a range or second standard deviation.
What would be your high time frame strong liquidity?
Higher time from drawn liquidity?
Well, not a higher time for like that, but for today.
Oh, today drawn liquidity is just 0.5 in second standard deviation. Overall,
Okay.
end of the day, I want to see back up to midnight open.
Yeah. I feel you.
All I can really say is just the daily busy. That's all I want, back up to midnight open, rebalance whatever we did for news. Overall, though, I still want lower.
Yeah.
Within the next 7 days, I want to see us close lower.
We don't have any high impact news today, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Do you think I should full port the funded too? 5 trades.
No.
Let's think about this.
You said you want on the payout.
Yeah, I guess.
You don't want one payout. You want multiple payouts.
I want one big payout. I'm thinking.
No.
Do you think I'll lose 5 trades in a row if I'm really waiting for the A plus setups? And if I hit that with like $500 risk each time, I think I would do good.
I don't think that's even possible to lose every single one.
Lose every 5, yeah. If I'm
Anything is possible.
I guess that's right.
50%.
When investing and trading, expect the worst that can happen.
We'll do a
That's never happened
Okay.
before.
No,
The worst
for the
ti-
worst,
worst-
expect the best.
Uh-huh.
5 times 0.5.
Okay.
Oh, wait.
Okay, listen, it's $400, 5 trades. If you lose 5 trades, you lose the XFA. But if you win just one trade with a decent like 1 to 2, 1 to 3 risk to reward, that's like 1.2k. That sets you on your feet. And then you just keep doing that. A plus
Nice.
setups.
Considering the market can only go 2 ways, it'd be a 0.03125% chance.
What the? I don't.
What am I supposed to
What?
percent?
This is true, by the way.
What are you talking about?
Oh wait, no, it would be. Sorry, it would be about 3%. I gave it to you in decimal.
3% what?
I mean, the market can only go 2 ways. To be fair, I guess
What
you could
is
trade
math?
like.
What is this math? If it's 2 ways, then it's 50-50, right?
Yeah, but you're doing it 5 times, right? And you got a 50%
Oh.
chance of losing.
Oh,
so you
yeah.
0.5 times 0.5, 5 times.
Uh-huh.
Yeah,
Yeah,
bueno.
okay, yeah. Well, yeah, funny man.
No.
I don't know, bro.
I
This
think
is
it's Ponyo.
Bueno.
It's just,
No,
yeah,
that's
because
understood. That's understood, right? Bueno.
I need to translate. Wait, is Miloš here?
Miloš is Serbian. He's with Uncle right now.
I can translate.
Wait.
The Trushban.
I get it. Yeah, Ponyo.
Yeah, bueno. Yeah.
And I understand.
a movie
this
proposal.
Japanese-
No, wait, I understand. Wait, yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah, Yanni Panimai. Oh, yeah, that's right. It's okay. I get it. Bueno. Closing above this finally. Let's see.
Alright, I'll mute.
But yeah, I'm probably just gonna do what was it, 5A plus trades with 5M and Q, not heavy sized, and see, and then I'll just do like the FOMO thing, be like, I could have been up this much this week if I would have done this, or I would have been up this much in 5 trades. So I'll just act like I'm doing it with heavy size, but I'm doing it with low size.
What will you do?
A to Z. I could have taken a payout on S1K too before I got banned. Everything, all the KYC, bank, everything there was for payout because it's been paid out in the past. Before I got banned, the only reason why I didn't was because it was Chatsu. I'm blaming Chatsu for this. He told me don't request payout until you have enough for motorcycle. Yeah, it was a 1.7k payout. He said wait for 10k, request a 10k. I was on the withdrawal page about to withdraw. Ruski jest? Ja jest
These are
Ruski.
bars.
Come on, akkurat til.
Good, Mantas.
Hello.
Whoa! Oh.
Whoa.
I'm back from that, bro.
Whoa, whoa. You sound like a zombie.
You got liquided.
Oh, we close the what? Slavorus? Yeah!
Oh, you
I
butt.
did. You but I read. Nigovru Puruski. Bro. I just read it. Okay, we closed the up not 31st presented. I want to see how we react off here. Observation from my journal.
Hey, look
Crimea.
at that.
He's from Crimea.
What? Really?
What?
Slava, I see it. What? Are you from Crimea?
Crimea? We're gonna check out his channel.
Probably Russian propaganda. With the what?
You
Nothing.
should friend him on YouTube.
What is this?
Where are you from, bro?
Said Crimea.
What do you?
Okay.
No way.
Alright, I want to see this actually respected. This would be an entry. If I didn't know any better, I would be long on this right now. Or judging by the logic I'm recently learning, this would be my long entry. But I'm not going to take it because I'm still learning.
Russian dude, have you been living in Crimea your whole life, or did you move?
Let's see.
Like, after the annexation happened. Do you know about Crimea?
I've heard about
Like,
it.
what happened there, or no?
What happened? Are
It
you
was
talking about the
Ukraine's
massacre?
territory. Well, yeah, basically.
Okay, dang.
But like, most of the Western countries still say it. Like,
Never happened.
they say it's owned by Ukraine. That's crazy.
That is crazy.
How was the war when it happened?
I only have vague memories of this. I only remember seeing. Wasn't there,
It's very important.
wasn't there a lot of executions there too?
I don't know. That I don't know.
Dang, we are pumping. This is
Damn, I was
good.
about to-
I was about to enter.
No, I'm joking. I was gonna do shit.
Okay, but yeah. It should be the macro entry for us. It's gifted by Russia to Ukraine. Oh, okay.
Okay. Well, if we look back to the Soviet times, no Ukraine existed. They took it back. Oh, Jesus Christ.
Dang.
So, would you say that the whole Soviet Union should be taken back, per se? Since it was also owned. It was not owned the same way, but should it be taken back? Taken back.
Wait, y'all know how like Lenin's body is still preserved
What?
in like the what is it called? Whatever building.
Yes.
Do you think we should do the same?
Whoa.
You think we should do the same thing with
Yes. That's crazy.
It was the best times.
Trump?
Oh, Jesus Christ. How old are you? You're probably like 15.
All the
Yeah, bro, they're fucking retarded. Okay, no. How old are you? How do these people find you, Mantas?
Oh, I don't know.
How does a dude from Crimea who says that the Soviet Union border should be restored and supports Russia, how did these people find you, Mantas?
I don't know.
No,
There's so much
but-
random people that show up here. We have insane interactions.
This is one of the worst I've seen.
28.
You're 28? No, you're coming to voice chat right now.
Can you come into voice chat? Cardiff, please join the Discord and come to voice chat.
Let's have a discussion.
Oh, you just jumped to my YouTube homepage.
Jesus
I'm getting
Christ.
recommended in your country. Okay.
Mantas, you should start streaming on YouTube. It's like Russian YouTube.
YouTube.
YouTube. I can't
Are
pronounce
you?
it. Our YouTube, yes.
Yeah. Okay.
And on VKontakte.
Contact him. Only Russian and Filipino by blood. Otherwise, I really don't adapt or know anything about their culture.
Bro, come in the voice chat. I need to hear you.
We gotta hear this. Please. I'll give you top G and mod if you come. Okay, I'll invite you, Cardiff. Jeez. Okay. CSD just 930 gap. I'll break it down for you soon. Nice job taking it, Finn. This is good.
Oh yeah, 930. Yeah, that was
31st
actually...
presented. I'm using it just for data collection before I do anything crazy. We'll learn.
Yeah, that was a good trade.
Alright, I sent you friend request. I'll bring you to voice chat.
That's
This
crazy.
is gonna be an interview.
I want to hear this. What he has to say.
I'm gonna bring this to the front so we can actually view it, and I could break this down. I'll probably make it more defined.
Is the price action, bro?
Okay, macro.
Imagine just tanks.
We have SMT at the highest. We should. This SMT should get disrespected though.
Bro, you gotta see his profile picture. Is that Putin?
Is that Wait,
No, it's
Oh, looks
Benjamin
like him.
Franklin, yeah. Okay. Just join voice chat whenever you can. Alright, he's here. Karnev, hello.
yo,
Здорово.
Здорово, здорово.
yeah, but yeah, he's Russian. Oh, Jesus Christ.
Okay, this is
How are you
good.
doing, bro?
I was thinking I'm capping. I'm not capping, bro.
No, I hear that you're not capping.
Mhm.
How are you doing?
I'm great. I'm great. How are you, boys?
Hello.
Very good, bro. Very good. So, okay, wait. You were born in Ukrainian Crimea, right?
Yeah. It was still Ukraine then.
Uh-huh. And 2016 was it that it got annexed, per se?
2014 or 2012.
24. Oh, okay, yeah. Okay. And how did you live through like what was happening with like in your life when all that was happening? Did it have any impact on you?
No, not really. If you go and ask all the people that live there right now, they will tell you that life got 10 times better since Russia took it back.
Really? Very interesting. Okay. And
Yeah,
did you
because
like
I'll
get
tell you why.
given? Okay, tell me.
Because the Ukrainian government is very corrupt, and let's say you pay taxes and all that, and they just steal the money. They don't really put that back into your country, you know. So when Russia came, they just poured lots of money into the place, and it just helped with tourism and jobs and all of that infrastructure.
Very interesting. Okay. Okay. Mantas, what do you want to ask him?
Not much. I think I remember when you said annex Crimea, I just brought back all the memories. Hearing about everything.
That's great. How do these people find you? The most
I
random
just log
people.
into YouTube and just I seen some
Today,
live
or have you
ICT
been
trader.
watching him?
No, right now. I think maybe I saw a video
God.
of him on my homepage. But yeah, I just
Yeah,
seen someone trade live. I wanted to see what he's doing.
Very glad to have you here.
That's wild.
I see you took longs. Yeah, I also took longs, but just a bit before market open.
Ah, very
What do you
good.
trade on in Russia? Because most of the prop firms and all that for thingies are not allowed, right?
Yeah, but I
Or
got
you still paper trade?
couple of passports. No, I got couple
Oh!
passports. So
Oh, okay, you're smart.
What country?
I'd
can
rather
say.
not say. I'd
Okay.
rather
Yeah.
stay
Okay.
anonymous.
Moldova?
Yeah. No.
Okay.
But I can use FTMO as well, which you can't, Americans.
Oh yeah, we can't.
Oh,
Okay, America.
Europa.
It's funny.
This is very interesting.
It is
Damn,
interesting.
we're about to here, bro.
What do you think about Putin?
I was
In
gonna ask
general.
that.
He's the boss, man. What do you mean?
I mean, he's the
He's the
boss,
top
but
G.
do you think there's something he could be doing better? Anything?
Everyone could be doing something better in politics, but generally speaking, I think he's doing pretty good for the people. You just go and ask Russians what they think about the country. I don't think that someone will say that it's not good or something like that.
Mhm.
Is it not?
Everybody who's living there is happy.
Is it not like main parts are good, like big cities, but then you go a little bit out of the outskirts of the cities and it's like horrible?
I wouldn't say horrible, but it's definitely a bit worse. Yeah, but isn't that the same in every country? Like, take for example, America. For me, America is New York, LA, and Miami. Everything other than that is just a shithole.
I don't know. From
Debatable.
where I'm from, you go anywhere, it's very good, lively. I don't know.
Where are you from?
Latvia.
Oh, okay. And yeah, Latvia is something different. I'm just talking about like big countries,
Big,
take
yeah.
China, India, Russia,
Makes
all
sense.
of these
Yeah.
countries. Big cities are good. Small cities are a bit worse, but they still can be good,
Okay. What else? What else? This is very interesting. Mm,
That's a little nice and a macro pump. I'm not gonna lie.
This was a very good trade. This long here was very high probability in my opinion. It's something
It
new
was a
to
very
learn.
good trade.
Yeah, I want to collect more data on that 31st percent gap instead of 950 because this
Wait,
was clean.
Mantis.
Hmm.
Fuck, bro. Okay, so my entry. You see
Oh,
that fair
no.
value gap that we tapped into? We tapped in.
Hmm.
My limit was right there. Check NQ right now.
Okay, wait. Do you think the West is bad? Cardiff.
Bad is like a big word, but the West definitely has its cons, let's say.
Okay.
Yo, I just got fucking contract SMT, bro. What the fuck?
Jeez. Also, what is your
I'm
profile
shy.
picture on YouTube?
It's a rhino.
It's Rhino. Oh,
It's a rhino flexing.
that's good.
Okay, what do you think about the current? Okay, yeah, you can call it the war, right? Putin called it
Yeah,
the
yeah.
war. Okay, what do you think?
No, they actually call it special operation.
They used to,
special
but
military operation.
Putin called it the war now. Am I not wrong? Like months ago. Before
Maybe,
it was
yeah.
special
I'm
military
not
operation.
really.
Current.
Yeah, it was special military operation. I just don't follow it too much, but maybe, yeah. I mean, it's
Yeah.
obvious it's a war.
Yeah, but okay. Do you think it should get resolved, and if so, how? What would be like the perfect resolution of the war, in your opinion?
Russia takes Ukraine.
Perfect resolution would be Ukraine to promise they won't join the European Union and put NATO bases all across Russia and just end it as it is. Like who took the territory, just leave it as it is, and that's it.
So the territories Ukraine currently owns, they keep. The territories Russia currently owns, they keep.
Yeah, I think that's the most logical
Hmm.
thing.
And what would be the guarantee for Ukraine that when the war ends, there actually would be peace and not like again promised
Order
peace
filled.
like before?
Oh my goodness.
I'm
No,
yelling.
I think it's a good question.
No, I'm talking about the order filled.
Oh,
My bad. Ignore me.
I mean, look, when Ukraine didn't want to join NATO, everything was peaceful and prosperous for both countries. So
okay,
that's
yeah,
your promise, I guess.
Ukraine
guess.
screwed it all up.
I
Oh,
guess.
man, can you check that shit out for me, bro? I'm actually kind of mad.
What?
Look at 1011 and 1005 on
No.
NQ and MNQ.
Oh, yeah.
My limit. Look on NQ. You see that? You see that candle right there that taps into the fair value gap? Oh, what the hell, bro? Look,
Okay,
that-
I have to dip for like 15 minutes. I will be
on
back.
NQ, we never
We'll be
tap
back.
back into the fair value gap. Look at 1011, bro. We never tapped that fair value gap. And on MNQ we did, bro. That's contract SMT.
Yeah, it
Where
is.
you right there, bro. I'm actually because my limit was on NQ, bro. Oh my fuck.
It's fine. It's fine. Karnaf, it was very nice speaking with you. Thank you for your time.
Yeah, man, take care, no problem, easy.
Mhm.
Also, why didn't you just guys long the first 5 minutes for value gap? It's the easiest model there is.
Silver bullet,
Yeah, the first 5 minutes for value gap, which
bro.
started from 900 till 850.
I
Just long the midpoint.
I used to do
Wait,
that all the
what
time. I'm not even kidding. That's the exact model I traded back then. I used to be what was it called? Always trading the first 5 minute gap every single day. That's the model that got me my first payout. But
Order filled.
I tried to evolve. So
It's fine. Break even.
I mean, evolving is good, yeah, but if you have something that works and has data
mhm.
and it's just proven, you just should stick to it. If you always try to look for something new, you will never be satisfied, you know.
Exactly.
I mean, it's good to diversify.
Hmm.
It's good to diversify and have a couple models, but if you have one good model that works, this is what I do. I have one model which works and I just stick to it, and yeah, and blessed, let's say.
You can say
Exactly.
the same thing for a wife, bro. Come on now.
That's what I'm doing right now, though.
Uh,
Oh,
wife is a bit different, you know. Wife is a bit different. I believe in multiple women as long as you can support them financially and make them happy.
Mhm.
You can have how many you want.
Order filled.
are you still trading?
Yeah.
Jeez.
Wait, Valid. What are you in right now? Shorts?
I'm in gold. Bro, look
Oh.
at.
It's like what?
I was going for a quick gold scalp longs. Yeah. Just hit take profit. I don't know why, bro. Gold has been hitting more than NQ has. NQ has just been pure like ass for me. But I hop on gold and I low key I have 2.5. I made 2.5K this week from just gold, bro. This is low key AIDS. Like this is low key AIDS, and I'm not even trading New York. I'm trading Asia, bro. I
Okay.
caught a 200-point move in Asia. That's stupid.
Wait, Karna, can I ask you a question?
Yeah, sure, man.
What do you think the main like motivation is behind the war in Ukraine?
I just said a couple minutes ago, the main motivation
NATO.
is Ukraine trying to join NATO, and then NATO will put bases all around Russia, which will put Russia at risk.
Yeah. Do you think Russia's like obviously when we had the Soviet Union, they had a bunch of like buffer states, and they annexed a lot of people. But do you think that like Putin is trying to like, get as much land as he can to like change like the sphere of Russia? Do you know what I mean or no? Like, do you think he's trying to return back to communism? Is that a crazy thought?
No, I don't think so. I don't think so. It wouldn't be. It's not the time to do something like that. I mean, the world has evolved.
Hmm.
Yeah, I get what you mean, but do you think it's still like possible?
What?
I don't think so. I don't think so. He's pretty
Yes.
old to do stuff like that. I mean,
I know, but you got to go out
if
with
he
a
wanted to
bang.
do something like that, he should have done that a long time before.
Yeah.
Also, there is a theory that the real Putin is long gone. You know, there's
Really?
just lots of how you say
Actors?
doppelgangers.
Yeah.
Yeah, the real Putin is because you can check videos from like, let's say 5 years ago, 10 years ago, 20 years ago. Each video has different ears, different nose, different throat, different eyebrow, the distance between the eyebrows, things you cannot change.
I feel like that's a little far though.
No, I don't think that's far.
I mean, it's logical, man. If
It's
you're a
logical.
person on this caliber, you have to have some doppelgangers
Do
because
you like not trust your government? I feel like
no, the Russian government.
yeah.
I mean, they're not the most straight, if that's the right word. There's always something going on behind closed doors, but generally speaking, they are pretty good for the population.
Yeah, I feel like I mean, no matter what anyone says, I feel like they have those intentions for their country,
Damn, I should have held my gold long.
Dang. Okay. Yeah, there was a lot of claims and stuff too.
Oh, that's crazy. Well, obviously
I actually want to dive deep into this. This is interesting.
I kind of don't fuck with Zelensky.
Zelensky is just a clown, man. He was a clown before he joined the politics, so it's funny. How can you make your
always wears,
president
like-
a former comedian?
Yeah.
I think he's trying to appeal to the masses, but he always wears like tracksuits and crap. Like he doesn't even wear suits.
Damn, bro.
He's just a clown, man, and all the money that they taken from America to support the war, it all gone to their pockets.
Yeah,
I'm 100% sure.
it has.
I don't want to short gold, but make a new gold all-time high. That'd be nice, right? I wouldn't even be surprised, bro. Oh shit, I'm unmuted. Damn, NQ looks ass. I'm sorry, y'all, but this just I feel bad. Y'all trading this NQ shit. What the fuck?
There was a beautiful short in London.
Yeah, I caught
Oh,
that
thank
short
you.
too. During macro, I hit this one right here during 650. Today's just a very lucky day
Yeah.
for me.
Order filled.
Go boys.
Wait, Mantas, so what was your RR on that short?
I
Was
don't-
it like
7.
7? I thought your stop loss. What was your
5. It was 5. SMT high.
Oh,
Holy
Okay.
shit.
because you said you like re-entered or something.
Yeah, that re-enter, it had 2-point stop loss, so I don't know how much of a risk or where that was.
Oh, that's what you did.
I want to see this. Hold up.
Yeah, that's kind of.
Hey Mantis,
Hmm.
you know Alpha features as a platform?
Yeah, I do.
I did not know that, bro. Did not
And
know
doubles,
that
why
shit.
do I need them? Oh,
To be
okay.
honest with you, I kind of want to go short. Like, if I was to trade NQ, I would probably. I don't want to catch,
Even premium.
I would go shorts on NQ, but I'm just a gambler. Don't listen to me.
I want to do shorts, but I don't see. I don't know.
That
Maybe if it
15,
like taps in second standard.
that
Like, it
15
already did. No, it didn't.
I could see a reverse on PM, but this AM session is ass.
Honestly, I don't really feel like it's that bad, but maybe I'm crazy.
Oh, okay.
I mean, it's probably good for your model, but like what I trade, and I don't see shit.
Well, what would be good for you? I feel like. I don't know. 930 is perfectly respected. The 850 macro. I mean, Mantis technically called that along.
The only trade I really missed on NQ today was like if you look at 1011, that wick low, didn't tap that fair value gap on NQ, but it did on MNQ. So he had contract SMT. That's the only trade I really missed because I had a limit on NQ. We never tapped it on MNQ. We did, bro, and we just fucking ran.
This long here?
Yeah, the long, like that little short pump up
Off
for
the
negative-
Bissy?
Yeah, for -2.
Yeah,
Oh, I
your
see.
target is -2. Good draw on a
Yeah, that's
crazy.
what.
I might be
What the
done for the
fuck is
day.
that standard deviation?
Yeah, I do feel like the standard deviation is good to play off of.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna be
Wait.
done for the day. I'm just gonna break down this trade, record it, make sure I understand it, learn from it, and that's really it. I'm just here to learn.
I'm not gonna lie to you,
I
Mantis.
look, feel like I kind of got it.
Okay, so on NQ we already tapped -2, bro. Yeah, we already tapped -2 on NQ, bro. What the fuck?
We did?
Yes,
You
bro.
drew it outright?
Yes, bro. I drew exactly how Mantis did.
If you're on NQ, it's probably bugged
Wait,
out.
I'm
Yeah,
trolling.
it's gonna be different. I'm on MNQ.
I'm a little trolling. I'm trolling.
We're inside of it on an NQ. Oh wait, no, we're not.
I'm trolling.
I'm trolling.
Yeah.
We're not. We have not hit it yet.
Okay. Alright,
Oh, we
I'm
did.
done for the day. I'm gonna leave voice chat, make a little breakdown video, and that's really it. Thank you, Conan,
I'm
for
go-
your time. Everyone else, I'll see you guys later.
Yeah, boys, have a take care. I'm gone as well.
Alright, see you later, man. Okay, starting ICT 2022 model, focus on 2022 model. Just focus on 2022 model, just ball out on it.